Okay, in this video today, we're going to work through exercises 3 and 4 of lesson 25. Exercise 3 says that Maria completed 3/4 of her workday. Create a model that represents what percent of the workday Maria has worked. So we could do this a few different ways, but this time I'm going to use a double number line. And I've already set the double number line up just to save us a little time. I am going to represent 3/4 on the top line. So I need to divide this into 4 even sections. And then 3/4 would be right here, 3/4. Then I'm going to also make percent. And we know that the whole is 100%. And then I'm going to take 100 and divide by 4, because I've divided this into 4 sections. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So each of these sections is 25. Now, I could have also looked at this and said, okay, this is 100. 2 out of 4, half of 100 is 50. And then divided my 50 in half again to get 25. And found that halfway between 50 and 100 is 75. Either of those ways of labeling it will work. And I end up with 3/4 being equal to 75%. The next question asks, what percent of her workday does she have left? Well, if she's worked 75%, we have this section left. So again, we can either say we know that 1/4 of our diagram represents 25, or we can take 100 minus 75. But either way, we are going to get 25% as what she has left. Then the third question, how does your model prove that your answer is correct? And we showed that by how each section represents 25%. Okay, exercise 4. Matthew completed 5/8 of his workday. What decimal would also describe the portion of the workday he has finished? Now, this one's a little bit harder because on all of the other fractions that we've talked about, either the denominator has been 10 or 100, or it has been something that we could easily multiply something by to get 10 or 100, and then we could change it to a percent. This one, that doesn't work. So we're going to have to do something different. We can also read this as 5 divided by 8. So we can plug this into our calculator. And if we plug 5 divided by 8 into our calculator, we get 0.625, which is also equal to 625 thousandths. Now, we can use that decimal to get the percent. If we have 625 thousandths, we can look at it like this, 625 thousandths. And we have to ask ourselves, how do we change that to 100? And to do this, we divide by 10. So if we divide 625 by 10, we get 62.5. So our answer is 62.5%.